Imagine a career where this is your office. A career where you maintain the front line of flight safety or direct the pulse of our nation's skyways. A career where you lead the way in modern aviation. Now is the time to defy gravity and launch your career with an aviation degree from LeTourneau University's School of Aviation and Aeronautical Science. Known worldwide for its strong technical programs, LeTourneau has the only comprehensive university-level aviation program in Texas and has trained the best in aviation for nearly 6 decades. Today, aviation is one of the top industries in Texas and the U.S., and graduates of LeTourneau University's College of Aviation and Aeronautical Science can be found working for airlines, major aviation companies, governments, and even in space.
There is a great future in aviation today because of shortages in airline pilots, aircraft mechanics, air traffic controllers, and all aviation organizations need people to work as managers and leaders. There is also a new and burgeoning field in remotely piloted aircraft, and LeTourneau is leading the way in preparing students for exciting and rewarding careers in aviation.
LeTourneau University offers 6 fields of study: aviation management, the complexities, operations, and logistics of the business of modern aviation is evolving and creating new opportunities for qualified management professionals. If you are currently working in aviation or are looking to step up your career, LeTourneau offers one of the only online aviation management degrees in Texas. Aviation maintenance. LeTourneau University's Bachelor of Science degree can help students prepare to become qualified FAA licensed maintenance technicians, working on complex systems and technologies critical to the operation of every aircraft in the air today. Air traffic control. LeTourneau graduates working in control towers and radar centers across the country keep passengers safe and air traffic flowing. With our 2- and 4-year degree program options, this rewarding and fast-paced career can lead to additional leadership and management career opportunities. Remotely piloted aircraft. From the military to the private sector, the field of unmanned, remotely piloted aircraft is projected to generate 100,000 jobs in the next 10 years and offers many exciting opportunities to become a leader in this new and rapidly expanding industry. Professional pilot training. On the ground and in the air, LeTourneau sets a high standard of excellence and leadership that has produced generations of expert pilots flying for major airlines, businesses, general aviation, the military, and even national leaders. Convenient classes at Dallas's McKinney Airport and Longview's Paul and Betty Abbott Aviation Center are taught using state-of-the-art airplanes and labs with the latest technology, including simulators, electronics, composite materials, computer software, and jet engines.
We give a lot of focused attention to our students. Of course, in flight training, it's a one-on-one experience. But even in our labs, like our air traffic control lab and our aircraft maintenance labs, it's faculty working with small groups of students. So there's a lot of great opportunities for strong relationships to be established. One of our goals is to provide our students with a life-changing experience. So whether it's in a classroom or a laboratory, in an airplane on a flight lesson, we want to make a difference in the lives of our students.
Learn how to defy gravity in the high-flying world of aviation with a degree from LeTourneau University's School of Aviation and Aeronautical Science. Learn more today at letu.edu/defy.